bunch of guys to change their work habits when they've got very tight pressured positions and they've got deadlines to meet. They've used rags all their life, they've used them in previous jobs, and they think rags are rags, and therefore they treat them like dirty pieces of rag and have no thought process of what that rag's actually doing or where it's come from. I'm Lillian Small. I am a Senior Territory Manager for Kimberly-Clark Professional, based in Wellington, New Zealand. Kimberly-Clark have brands that are carefully structured to meet the quality and cost of all customers. We specialise in hygiene products and workplace wipers. We lead the world in essentials for a better life. The win that I had with this large printing company was satisfactory on many levels. They had many benefits coming out of it, from not only cost and use, but a better work practice, better environmental standards that they could reach. So I started off with a site audit, and I walked around the plant to find out how they were using what they were currently using, which was waste rag, and they were using tons and tons of this. They were using 5 rags at a time to clean up spills of ink or grease or oil, to wash blankets or use with solvents, and they would have to empty a rubbish bin every day to go out to a bigger skip to get collected every week. All the waste removal's done on cost for weight. So by removing the rags and putting wipers in, they were able to use 1 wiper to 5 rags, reducing that consumption and reducing that product to the landfill. We knew that a cost and use analysis and evaluation from rags to wipers was beneficial. You know, you can save in between 30 and 40% depending on what usage and how you're using the wiper is. But I wanted to see how it stacked up environmentally, so I did an environmental comparison, and for distribution alone of getting rags from source into the customer compared to wipers is the difference between having 7 cars on the road per day or 1,100 cars on the road. Before we even go and make the product, we look at the 6 steps of the cycle. You know, how's it going to be used, where's it going to come from, how's it going to be dispensed, you know, to provide better cost and use, and what's its final disposal destination. And even with the packaging, we make sure that the jumbo roll comes in a perfectly sized cube box so we can fit more on the pallet, more in the truck, so there's less trucks on the road. Kimberly-Clark put a lot of effort into research and development to ensure the right products are getting made for the right job. We work with many different industries to ensure that we're up with the latest innovations for what systems they need.